Let's do chapter number 11 of English Literature, Whispered Words of Wisdom. In the 14th century, there was a prosperous kingdom in the south of India called the Vijayanagara or Vijayanagar. It was ruled by the famous king Krishnadeva Raya. It was ruled by the famous king Krishnadeva Raya. Ashtadiggajas are the 8 great people of the king's court. In Vijayanagar lived a famous wit and poet by the name of Tenali Ramakrishna. He was one of the Ashtadiggajas. Although Tenali Rama had not received any formal education, he was known to be a great scholar who was wise and witty. And thanks to his intelligence, he had earned a reputation as a problem solver, and the king trusted him a lot. Once there was a rumor spread throughout a kingdom that a man named Ramaya was jinxed. Jinxed means to be cursed and to a person who brings bad luck. So whoever saw his face in the morning would go hungry the whole day. So people used to avoid Ramaya in the morning. And this naturally made Ramaya's life very difficult. It was not easy for him to walk around freely, to make friends, so he became very sad and lonely, and he was unable to change people's opinion about him. So, Krishnadeva Raya, the king, asked Ramaya to stay at his palace because he wanted to experience what the other people were experiencing. And Ramaya was asked to stay next to his bedroom so that when the king would wake up in the morning, the first thing that he would see would be Ramaya's face. Because it was told that whoever sees Ramaya's face in the morning would end up being hungry throughout the day. And the king thought that it was just a joke for him because he wouldn't end up being hungry as there were so many cooks to prepare him food. So he did all his jobs and duties, whatever a king had to perform in the morning, and when it was time for him to have his lunch, he was served the food. But when he was about to have it, he sees a dead fly on it. He gets angry and he asks the chef to cook again for him. So by the time the second preparation was done, he had lost his appetite. So we see that throughout the day he did not have anything. So he remained hungry. And he started believing what other people spoke about Ramaya. So he ordered the Ashtadiggajas to hang him and to put him to death. So when Rama hears about this announcement, he knew that he had to do something to stop Ramaya from being hanged. Ramaya met Tenali Rama and asked him for help and pleaded him to help him to get him out of this. Feeling bad for Ramaya, Tenali whispered something into Ramaya's ears and asked him to do as he says. When the guards ask Ramaya whether he had any last wish, he says that he would like to have a word with the king. So he tells the king, "It may be true that anyone who sees my face will go hungry throughout the day, but it's also true that anybody who sees the king's face will end up losing his life." So he questions that who is worse, whether it is he or whether it is the king. On hearing this message, the king gets stunned. He feels ashamed and he asks for forgiveness. He gives Ramaya some jewelry, some gifts also, and tells him to forgive him for his behavior. Ramaya gladly accepted the king's apology and his gifts and returned home as a happy man.